Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the icons, illustration and photos for free that you can use anywhere you want, and you don't even need to require login or paying anything. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to search for reshot.com. You can check the spelling over there. Once you do that, you can see a page will open right in front of you where you can see you can search for SVG icons or vector illustrations. Just simply select as per your preferences, or you can directly search among all of them from here only. For example, if I search here a man, and I hit search, different vectors or even uh, the SVG icons will appear right in front of me that I can use anywhere I want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.